Welcome everyone. Today the topic we will be discussing is acceleration of free fall. So what is acceleration of free fall? Before this, let me tell you what is meant by free fall. Free a free falling object is an object that is under the influence of gravity, and this object experiences gravitational force. So you can say that this object, or it is to be said that this object is in the state of free fall. On your screen, you can see the definition of acceleration. All the bodies falling freely under the force of gravity with the uniform acceleration. If the air resistance is negligible, this is called free fall acceleration. Acceleration of free fall. So this is the definition of acceleration of free fall. Let me repeat it again. Acceleration of free fall is the acceleration produced when a body is falling under the influence of gravitational field or gravitational force of the earth. So you can simply say that this falling, the acceleration in this falling is known as acceleration of free fall. And this acceleration of free fall is constant and its symbol is g. So this g equals to a means acceleration, or this g means acceleration. Things are same. Then the value for this is constant, and the value is 9.8 into 9.8 meter per second square. So here's the definition, or you can say the same definition written above. Acceleration of the free fall, which is g, for an object near to the surface of the earth is approximate constant and is 9.8 into 10 power 9.8 into 9.8 meter per second square. So one thing which you need to remember for calculation is that when the object in the acceleration of free fall, the object is falling downwards. So when the object is falling downwards, the sign is positive for the acceleration of free fall, which is 9.8, positive 9.8. However, when the object is rising like this, so the sign will be minus 9.8 as the object is decelerating. For an object falling freely from rest without air resistance, there will be constant acceleration. So this is the graph of acceleration given. You can see this graph on your screen. There would be a question in your mind that during free fall, will heavier object accelerate more or the lighter ones? So the answer to this question is that the acceleration due to gravity doesn't depend on mass. Whether the object is heavier or lighter, it is falling towards Earth, so its acceleration is same. The bodies of different mass accelerate towards the Earth with same acceleration. So the acceleration value is constant and won't change. And the value is 9.8 into 9.8 meter per second. I hope you understood acceleration of free fall.